Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Spray. Alright you guys, let's first talk about my makeup look. If you guys like this makeup look, I did a video on it and it's kind of like a challenge video because believe it or not, this entire look was done with no makeup brushes. Zero makeup brushes. You heard me correctly. So if you're curious about that, I'll put like a link in the iCard or it might be in the end of this video. It depends. So yeah, so check it out. It's like a little challenge video I did for myself. Kind of came up with it myself and it turned out like this. I'm pretty proud. Anyway, so this video is about the Wet n Wild Rose Water Primer Water spray. All right, this is a 3-in-1 primer water. You prep, set, and refresh. So with this little baby right here, you can use it to prep your makeup, set your makeup, and throughout the day kind of refresh your makeup. So of course, in all my reviews, you guys, I talk about A, packaging, B, how it wore on my skin, and C, do I recommend it? All right, do I personally recommend it to you guys? So let's get started. All right, so packaging. First of all, packaging is super cute. It's very simple. It's not like, it doesn't look luxurious, to be honest, but it's Wet n Wild. So they do like more of a cute packaging, not so much of a luxury packaging. So if you're looking for luxury packaging, this really isn't your thing. But then again, if you don't try this out or any of their Wet n Wild products, you're kind of missing out. So to me, Wet n Wild, their packaging is more about being cute and just looking very nice and adorable. That's just the vibe I get from them. So packaging is nice. Everything is plastic. The plastic cap is a clear pink and it has like a nice rose to it right here. A little rose print, if you guys can see that. All right. It has a nice rose print on it. And this is what the bottle looks like. It is pretty small, I'm not gonna lie. This is 1.52 fluid ounces, so that is how much it holds. And the spray is just a nice spray bottle. I've used it all up already, so it's not there anymore, which means obviously I liked it enough to use it all up. Spoiler alert. Okay, so I feel like the shape of this spray is very like, what do you call it? Ergonomically friendly. The way I can hold this bottle and spray it, it's easy to use and hold. It's really, yeah, I like this. It's nice. Look at that. It just kind of fits nicely into the palm of my hands and I really enjoy that. All right. So that is what it looks like. A white plastic bottle and you can open it up. All right. And close it back. So I guess if you wanted to, you can use this as like a spray to, I don't know, extra spray bottle after you finish using it. So there's that. But honestly, after this review, I'm just going to like toss this out. So that is what it looks like. That's packaging. I will say though, I've had a different Wet n Wild, like setting spray. Not this one, but the one with like the black cap, the black see-through clear cap. And of course it depends on exactly which spray bottle you get, because it can happen, you guys, with any product you receive. There can be like a malfunction or kind of like faulty bottle. Anyways, the one I got before, not this one, but the very first time I tried this, the like regular clear black cap, whatever it's called, honestly, the product is nice, don't get me wrong, but the reason why I was kind of hesitant to buy another one of these spray bottles is because it didn't really spray out a nice misty spray. It just kind of like, it felt like someone was like spitting on my face, so it wasn't a pleasant feeling. But I mean, I was like, you know what, it could be the bottle itself. Maybe that particular bottle I bought was not a good one, and that can happen. That that happens, right? It's life. That happens. So I decided to try another one, and thankfully, this one sprays out very nicely. Now, granted, it's not like a spray where it's like, have you tried the Morphe spray? The Morphe spray is like a fine mist. It's like, it's very like super mystified and misty. Does that even make sense? I'm like completely making up stuff right now. So what I'm trying to say is like, compared to the Morphe spray, if you tried it before, the Morphe spray from my own experience is more of like a super fine mist, whereas this is like more of like a regular mist. Yeah, I, that's the best I can explain it. All right, but other than that, this is the bottle of the spray bottle of the Wet n Wild, and there's not much to it, you guys. It's cute, it's pink, and you have information on the back and the front, and that's it. All right, and a couple of information on the bottom. So that is the packaging. Now, next, let's dive into how it wore on my skin. Alright, so of course in every single one of my review videos, just so you guys know, first of all, it's based on my own personal experience, so there's that. And then on top of it, I have extremely dry skin. I mean, you're talking about like Sahara Desert dry skin. Like, you have no idea what dry skin is until you meet me. You get what I'm saying? So it's really dry, you guys. It's extremely dry. So let's put that out on the table, and now let's talk about how it wore on my skin. So this Rose Photo Focus Primer Prep. What else? Prep, Set, and Refresh. There you go. This Prep, Set, and Refresh. I will say it, well, it wore nicely, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. It wore beautifully. Honestly, it wore beautifully. Alright? I didn't really use it as like a prep, to be quite honest. I used it more as a finisher, like a setting spray. And on top of that, because it's so tiny and compact, it was so easy to throw in my purse and then kind of like refresh myself throughout the day. So in that sense, I didn't use it as a, prep spray. I used it once, actually. I did use it once, but, just to test it out. But I do have other primers I use. So I use this mainly as a setting spray and like a finisher setting spray, and kind of like a throughout the day refresh my face spray. And honestly, it kept my makeup intact, in place, and for such a small little cute thing to do that, I'm very impressed. I had no irritations on my skin. My makeup was like nice and set. It didn't budge, it didn't move. Of course, that all depends on where you live, I feel like, and how how active you are throughout the day. Are you like sweating with the makeup on? For me, I'm just putting on makeup and just doing normal things. You get what I'm saying? So normal as in going to work, coming home, cooking dinner, nothing too, strenuous or too much activity. When I'm working out, I'm not wearing any makeup. So, sometimes I do wear makeup. I'll take that back. Sometimes I do wear makeup. I don't put on makeup to go to the gym. I have makeup on already. And sometimes I end up going to the gym at night. But of course, right now, there is no gym. I'm not going to any gym right now. We're all home, staying home, quarantined. So, gym. So yeah, no gym right now. Except I do work out at home, not as intensely as I did when I went to the gym, which I should. But yeah, I have a lot of gym equipment, but I don't really use it. I should. Anyways, going off tangent. So yeah, it didn't irritate my skin. Did I mention that already? It didn't irritate my skin. It kept my makeup intact. It kept it in place. I love it. It did such a nice job keeping my skin look dewy, especially because my skin's like dry. Oh, on top of that, it has this nice floral scent. And you guys, me saying something is a nice floral scent is saying a lot, because I'm more of like so I feel like there's two types of main scent. All right, you have the floral kind, and then you have the more of like a fruitier candy kind. And out of the two, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love both, but if I had to pick one out of the two, I lean towards the more candy, sweet, fruity smell. It just smells delicious. All right, that's why I like it. Okay, sounds very juvenile for me to say, I feel like, just because I feel like those sweet candy smells more for kids, but whatever. I'm a kid at heart. What can I say, right? But This is a floral scent, you guys, and for me to say this is a really nice scent, I think that's saying a lot. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for how it wore it nicely, no irritation, kept my makeup in place, kept it intact. It was nice and dewy. I love the finish of it. It was so nice and compact, and it's still nice and compact. It was whatever, all right? It's so nice and compact that I can throw it in my purse and kind of refresh my makeup throughout the day. All right, you guys, we're at the end of the video, and the last part is, do I personally recommend this amazing product? And honestly, I do recommend it just because A, it's super affordable, and I feel like with drugstore, this is a drugstore product, if you guys didn't know that already. With drugstore products, a lot of them are, honestly, they're getting kind of expensive and kind of up there, but this is one of those products where I feel like it's not gonna break your bank, and you can still be kind of like, safe and comfortable about purchasing this. That's just how I feel about it. It's not that expensive compared to other drugstore setting sprays or, misty sprays or whatever you call it. This is, according to their website, $5.99 US. And of course, before tax, and if you're gonna buy it online, and before shipping and handling, all that stuff. You guys, side note, wait until the quarantine is over. Stay home, stay safe, so stay home, stay safe, all right? But after the quarantine is all lifted up and over, hey, check this out. You can also check it out online, see other reviews, see if you like it or not. But I do recommend it because it's affordable, it works, it's cute, it's nice packaging, cute, adorable packaging. The product itself, which is like the main point of why you're buying a product. The product itself does set your makeup. It does a nice job kind of refreshing your face and giving you a nice little wake me up throughout the day. Perfect size to throw in your purse. And yeah, so overall, I do recommend it. If you haven't tried it, try it now. I don't know now, but try it whenever you want, all right? So if you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. Or if you've tried it already and you liked it or didn't like it, let me know down below why you liked it or why you did not like it, all right? Comment down below. Also, comment down below any other product you want me to review, and I'll try to do that for you guys. But yeah, this is the end of the video. If you guys like little mini reviews like this, then go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already joined the Kwak fam, do so by clicking subscribe, and that way you join the Kwak fam at no cost to you. And I mean, that does really help me, you guys, and I really do appreciate it. So click subscribe, join the Kwak fam. What else? Follow me on my social media. Links to that is all down below. Instagram, Twitter, and what is up? TikTok, there you go. Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I am obsessed with TikTok. It's so much fun, you guys. So follow me there, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. Hopefully at home. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day. Stressing out like crazy, just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy, layer on some diamonds and some pearls.